Hi everybody. Today we learn about new topic from the chapter 2 geometry. But in this video we will be focusing on the subtopic of the Pythagoras theorem. The objective of this subtopic at the end of the video or at the end of this lesson, the student should be able to use the Pythagoras theorem. First of all, what is a right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is a triangle which has an angle that is 90 degrees. Two sides that make up the right angle triangle are called legs. This is a leg number 1 and leg number 2. So the side opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So this is the right angle. So the line that opposite of the right angle is called the hypotenuse. So Pythagorean theorem or Pythagoras theorem state that in a right angle triangle, if A and B are the measure of the legs and C is the hypotenuse, then A square plus B square is equals to C square. So you must remember that the important part is the hypotenuse C is always the longer side. It's longer side from A, side A and side B. Let's look at the example. Example number 1. Find the length of the hypotenuse if A is equals to 12 and B is equals to 16. Therefore, from the formula of the hypotenuse or from the theorem Pythagoras, we can substitute is A square plus B square is equals to C square. Therefore, 12A, 12 square plus 16 square is equals to C square. By using the calculator, 144 plus 256 is equals to C square, and then C square is equals to 400. Take the square root of the both sides. Therefore, C is equals to 20. The second example, find the length of the hypotenuse. That means the side of C. If A is equals to 5 and B equals to 7. Let's substitute into the formula. 5 square plus 7 square is equals to C square. 25 plus 49 is equals to C square. And then C square is equals to 74. And then take the square root of the both sides, left hand side and the right hand side. Therefore, C is equals to 8.6. Now, let's find the length of the hypotenuse given A equals to 6 and B equals to 12. By do the calculation on yourself. At the end of your answer, you will get hypotenuse C is equals to 13.42. You can try this separately. So let's see the example number 3. Find the length of the leg to the nearest hundredth if A equals to 4 and C equals to 10. In this question, given that one of the side of the leg is A equals to 4, and the value of C or hypotenuse is equals to 10. Therefore, you must find the value of B. So from the formula, 4 square plus B square is equal to 10 square. 16 plus B square is equals to 100. Solve for the value of B. By do the operation from the left hand side and the right hand side, you will get B square is equals to 84, and square root both side, left hand side and the right hand side, you will get B is equals to 9.17. Let's see the example number 4. Find the length of the leg to the nearest 100 if C equals to 10 and B equals to 7. So therefore, you must find the value of A, one of the leg from the right angle triangle. So A square plus 7 square is equals to 10 square. But do the calculation and do the operational of the left hand side and the right hand side. We will solve for the value of A. Therefore, A square is equals to 51. Square root both side, left hand side and the right hand side, you will get A is equals to 7.14. So try this by your own. The exercise. Find the length of the missing side given A equals to 4 and C equals to 5. Therefore, you must find the value of B, one of the side or one of the leg. So at the end of your calculation, solving calculation, you will get B is equals to 3. Now, for example number 5, the measure of the three sides of the right angle triangle are given below. Determine whether each triangle is a right angle triangle given that three value of the side, square root of 73, 3 and 8. So which side is the biggest from all of these three values? So the square root of 73 is equals to 8.5. Therefore, for the value of square root of 73 is the hypotenuse, because square root of 73 will get 8.5. 8.5 is the biggest value from these three value given. So it is called hypotenuse. So plug or substitute your information into the Pythagoras Theorem formula. It doesn't matter which number is A or B. So we plug in 3 square plus 8 square is equals to square root of 73 square. So 9 by 74 is equals to 73. So the left hand side will get the answer is 73, and the right hand side also is equals to 73. Both sides are equal. So since this is true, the right triangle is the right angle triangle. If it was not true, it would not be a right angle triangle. Now for the last exercise, you can do it yourself by determining whether the triangle is a right angle triangle given the sides. Side number 1, 9, 6, 9 and square root of 45. You use the formula of theorem Pythagoras by substitute of this three value, but before that you must know which side is the longest side, which side is the biggest, or which value is the biggest, because the biggest value will be the hypotenuse. So at the end of your answer, this is the right angle triangle. That's all for this subtopic, for this theorem Pythagoras topic. So see you again in the next video. Thank you.